I have a Bosch dishwasher and replacing the control board. Do I need to get the control board programmed?
Do you know the model of your Bosch dishwasher? How old is it?
SHP 65T55UC/07.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
That's all.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. Or can I swap a new board from appliancepros.com?
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. There is a programmed version and a non-programmed version board. You want to buy the programmed version. The board part number you want to order is 12,008,382, which is pre-programmed.
The board I was told to get was part number 12,009,532. What board is that?
Different board. You are correct. The programmed version of the power board underneath the dishwasher on the right side is 12,009,532. That is the part you'll want to order. Order 12,009,532.
Ok. So that is the program version. For my model number dishwasher.
That is correct, yes.
Just replace, no need for tech to come out and upload any data.
Correct, just replace it. All plug and play and no need to upload any data.
Very cool. I will try that out and let you know.
Sounds great. Good luck.
The dishwasher ran on auto, but at the end I got E09 code.
E09 means that your heater has failed on your dishwasher. You either got a bad control board or the heater needs to be replaced as well.
How do I tell which is bad then?
Return the board in case it came faulty, and if the issue persists, replace the heater.
Control board. You mean control panel. Where all the buttons are?
No, the main control board under the dishwasher on the right side.
I replaced the power board 12009532. That was the latest repair. Where is the control board?
Yes, that's the same board. As I said, return the board, power board 12,009,532, in case it came faulty, and if the issue persists, replace the heater.
Under, right hand side. So I did replace the control board. Is there a way to know if it's the board or heater? The dishes were warm. But that might be because of hot water source.
Correct, that is likely from the hot water source. Again, the only way to know if it's the board or the heater is to return the board and get a new one. Tell them it came defective. If it fixes the issue, then great. If it doesn't, you need to replace the heater.
Would I be able to run another cycle if I clear the error out? Or is the error logged in the control board and it won't run anymore?
You should be able to reset power, and most of the time it'll let you start a new cycle again.
Ok. If it does, with that hint the control board is ok. Since it's not preventing me from running. IDK. Just asking. Assuming control board is getting feedback from another component.
No, control boards don't fail in black and white manners usually. It can be either the heater or control board.
Okay. Which heater or control board has higher failure rate? Deciding between ordering heater or board? If order board then it still gives error, then I have order the heater. If get heater and still get the error. Then I know it's the board. But since I have a new board in there, would it be better to order the heater?
You keep asking the same question 5 different ways and it isn't going to change. Return the control board and get a new one. If the issue continues, replace the heating element. That is exactly what I would do.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.